Chemical engineering is an engineering field that deals with the study of the operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. Chemical engineers develop economical commercial processes to convert raw materials into useful products. Is chemical engineering a good career? Chemical engineering majors can find a variety of job prospects with different manufacturers around the world that can offer high-paying salaries, which can make it an appealing degree program for those interested. Is chemical engineering difficult? Life isn't easy when you're a chemical engineering student. After all, you're studying one of the most challenging subjects imaginable. Even if you're going to end up with a dream job afterward, that doesn't mean there aren't things you would change if you could. Which field is best for chemical engineer? You'll find major employers in gas and oil extraction, oil refining, nuclear, and other power generation and process industries, including pharmaceuticals, fine and heavy chemicals, and agrochemicals. Other manufacturing industries that need chemical engineers include those supplying fibers and polymers, food and drink. What are the skills chemical engineers need? Key skills for chemical engineers are an aptitude for and interest in chemistry, IT and numeracy skills, analytical skills, commercial awareness, the ability to work well under pressure, communication and teamworking skills, problem-solving skills. What is the main job of a chemical engineer? Chemical engineers develop and design chemical manufacturing processes. Chemical engineers apply the principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and math to solve problems that involve the production or use of chemicals, fuel, drugs, food, and many other products. There has a lot of job opportunities for chemical majors students with a good salary. To know what best paying jobs in major chemicals are, read the article in the link given in the description box.